Hello, I'm Amelia from Coveya, and today I'll be explaining the benefits of this heavy-duty Easikit 900 flatbed conveyor. This conveyor is designed to transport bulk materials and recyclables. This bespoke 11-metre long conveyor is a tough, durable and weatherproof solution for high volume loads. It has a maximum throughput of 125 tonnes per hour, helping to transport high volume loads, significantly reducing manual labour and downtime on site. One of the many benefits of this model is that it is available in lengths up to 40 metres long, allowing you to customise the size depending on your site's requirements. We store the modular sections for this conveyor in stock, enabling fast turnaround times if required. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to speak with one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.